things have taken a turn for the worse. So anyway, we've been packing. The sun's starting to come out.
Oh, you're fucking rolling.
Yeah. My bag is everything I need's in there, and then just stuff I need to just be, whatever. Mario was doing the last thing he needed on his bag.
Zip it
the
up.
last zip, and then this happens. By the way, it's zipped up. That is a rip. So you have no idea what to do. You were just gonna tape. I was just like, all right. Well, in my head, I was just like, well, we need to go to Don Quixote, of course, and buy you a new bag.
Is tape not an option?
That's gonna rip more.
Tape on the inside, tape on the outside.
That's gonna rip more.
Wait. Take stuff out and put it in my carry-on. Take out clothes.
That's gonna. Either way, it's gonna rip.
Unpack this and
Things are gonna fall out. Like, you know how rough they treat your luggage?
Oh, God.
We need to buy you new luggage.
I'll wait for this one.
Alright. It's all good. It's an emergency. That's why
God damn it.
Jack Daniels!
First I had to stress out about declaring shit, and then we got clear to that, and then this shit happened.
Jack Daniels! Alright, you could probably get a similar size.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jack Daniels. Jack Daniels.
I'm gonna come home and apparently be like, what happened to the luggage I gave you? It fucking ripped on me.
Watch this video. Dude, no.
I know it's done.
As rough as they treat your luggage, your stuff is going to be all over the tarmac.
Yeah. Say no more.
What time is it? Time to go to Don Quixote.
Again.
Buy luggage.
Third time.
Alright. Good morning, Ikebukuro. Tokyo, Japan. Anytime where Mario and I have been traveling, anything that can go wrong can and will go wrong. Because that's the way it's been.
Even to the last damn minute. Let's hope I get home.
But look how clean everything is now. Compared to
That
before.
done.
Yep.
We got till 11. We got 6 hours.
Yeah.
Let's go.
6 hours? That's cool. We gotta buy a new bag. That sucks.
God damn it.
Living that Tokyo life, walking the streets of Ikebukuro at 5 a.m.
5:20.
5:20 a.m. in the morning.
People leaving karaoke right now.
Well, yeah, the people just got out of a Kingdom system, right? And they're just schlepping through the streets. But yeah, we're making another trip to the Don Quixote because it's that ball of life.
Yes, we do. Oh God. If this goes well, it's a lifesaver.
If not, yeah.
If not,
Don Quixote might save your life.
one way or another, they'll have straps. They'll have something. Some rope. Something to help you. Hasn't failed me yet. Unlike a lot of other things in this trip.
So we're coming up on this intersection that I love because it's got this like gangsta like tune for the
Yeah.
when you cross. Here's the thing about like Japan, everything has like a tune. Anyway, my first experience was actually Animal Crossing.
Yeah.
Everything has a tune.
Yeah. And then you said you finally figured out why, right?
Yeah, every certain train stations and stuff like have their own tune that plays.
Yeah, but don't take it for granted. There was this time when I guess the girl thought the tune was gonna wake her up. It did not wake her up. She was asleep.
Oh, we're about to hear it. We're about to hear it. Listen.
I don't know that.
Yeah?
That station is an owl. Huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So now, maybe
Still learning.
I think it has something to do that theme has something to do with an owl.
Well, yeah, and we're in the middle of the session with like 3 hours to go.
Back to Don Quixote.
3 times.
One night. We're about to get run over by a garbage truck. Let's go. Oh,
At least we know the layout of the place.
yeah.
Go straight there.
Elevator. Elevator. Here we go. I don't remember. It's not the basement.
No, that's drinks.
That's food. 2? Okay, 2 it is. So, ladies and gentlemen, we've gone done, did it. Mario got. Oh, look, fishes. Brand new luggage.
It's dead. Man, the wheels are quiet enough. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right here. This guy, lifesaver.
Don Quixote is your lifesaver. Alright. Oh my gosh.
Now to go back, repack, squeeze everything in here,
Yeah.
and hope for the best.
Oh, I can't even believe it. That's sick though, that pink spot is an owl.
Oh, yeah. I noticed that coming around, I'm like, what are those bulbs? Or the windows like bulbs?
So empty right now.
It's not eerie though, that's the good thing.
Yeah.
It's just calm.
It's just not as full as we're used to seeing, you know?
Especially near the JR station.
Yeah. Kushida!
Body hurts from all this damn stress.
I'm just laughing. I'm laughing just like, oh, stuff's going wrong.
It's like, this is what on his first international trip, on his first trip anywhere.
This
to
would
take a
happen to Mario.
plane.
I say, dude, check in the second baggage if you can, just empty.
Just for the shit of it.
Just to see if it can make it back home empty by itself. The house?
House in the building.
Oh yeah, the building is an owl. There are owls here.
So I guess a song might mean something pointing to those owls.
So here we have Mario, who is now
Having to repack.
beginning to repack everything into a new bag. You can do the little extension on that.
I'm just doing it right now. So for
94 liters.
anybody that I'm bringing something to, I'd be fucking thankful. That bag was not that full when I got here. Those keys.
And then you're gonna attempt to check this in as an empty bag. Alright.
Keys.
Does this fit in the front like that? In the front
Yeah.
compartment?
There's keys in here. She didn't show me them.
Where are they?
Keys to the lock. She's like,
Okay, was that it? You just lost them?
Oh, I saw her put me here.
Well, Mario's gonna pack. You don't even see that. Just
And he's
is what he does.
Yeah.